Some luxury cars are designed to impress you on the day you drive them home. Others earn something far more valuable over the years that follow: your trust. Real reliability isn't measured by bold styling or impressive specifications. It's measured by the quiet confidence of turning the key on a cold morning, knowing your car will start without hesitation. It's found in a cabin that still feels solid after thousands of commutes, road trips, and everyday errands. It's the peace of mind that comes from knowing your investment continues to reward you long after the factory warranty has expired. Today, we're looking at 5 luxury sedans that have truly earned that reputation. Each one offers a unique ownership experience shaped by years of proven dependability, thoughtful craftsmanship, and everyday comfort. Car number 5, Infiniti Q50 Luxe. Not every great luxury sedan becomes a household favorite. Some quietly build a loyal following among owners who appreciate substance over popularity, and the Infiniti Q50 is one of those rare cars. From the moment you settle into the driver's seat, everything feels familiar and reassuring. The controls are refreshingly straightforward, the visibility is excellent, and nothing demands your attention simply for the sake of looking modern. Instead, the Q50 focuses on making everyday driving feel effortless. Owners often describe it as the kind of car that simply gets on with the job. Morning commutes, weekend getaways, or long highway drives all feel equally natural. Even after years of ownership, many examples continue to feel solid, with interiors that resist rattles and materials that age gracefully. Its intelligent all-wheel drive system adds another layer of confidence by automatically adapting when road conditions become less predictable. Most of the time, you'll never notice it's working. And that's exactly the point. It quietly gives you extra assurance whenever the weather changes. Maintenance is another pleasant surprise. Compared with many European luxury sedans, routine servicing and replacement parts remain relatively approachable, making ownership feel less intimidating once the warranty has ended. The Q50 isn't trying to be the loudest choice in this segment. Instead, it earns appreciation through consistency. It's a luxury sedan that quietly proves reliability doesn't always need a spotlight to make a lasting impression. Car number 4, Genesis G80. The Genesis G80 tells a different story. This isn't a car that relies on decades of heritage or an iconic badge to earn admiration. Instead, it wins people over one quiet drive at a time. Close the door, and the outside world seems to disappear. The cabin feels carefully insulated, creating a calm environment that transforms even routine journeys into something more relaxing. Rich materials, elegant design, and exceptional attention to detail give the impression of a sedan that originally cost far more than many buyers pay today. Owners frequently praise the naturally aspirated V6 for its straightforward durability. Without unnecessary complexity, it has built a reputation for dependable long-term ownership, allowing drivers to enjoy luxury without constantly worrying about expensive surprises. The available H-Track all-wheel drive system complements that philosophy beautifully. It works discreetly in the background, providing reassuring traction whenever conditions become uncertain while preserving the smooth, composed ride that defines the G80. What truly separates this car is the sense of value it delivers every single day. You don't feel like you've settled for less. You feel like you've discovered one of the luxury market's best-kept secrets. For many owners, that's exactly what makes the Genesis so memorable. It doesn't ask for attention. It simply rewards your decision every time you open the garage door. Car number 3, BMW 540i. There was a time when long-term BMW ownership often came with hesitation. These models helped rewrite that narrative. At the center of that transformation is BMW's highly respected B58 engine, an engineering achievement that has earned widespread praise for combining smooth, everyday operation with remarkable durability when properly maintained. It gave many owners something they hadn't always associated with the brand: lasting confidence. But reliability alone doesn't explain the appeal. Every interaction feels carefully engineered. The cabin is beautifully assembled, with high-quality materials, intuitive controls, and a sense of precision that remains satisfying long after the novelty wears off. Years later, many interiors still feel remarkably tight and refined, reflecting the attention paid to every detail. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system adds confidence without ever becoming intrusive. Whether the road is dry or suddenly less predictable, it works seamlessly in the background, helping every journey feel composed and reassuring. Technology is another strength. The iDrive system remains one of the easiest luxury interfaces to live with, offering features that continue to feel genuinely useful rather than unnecessarily complicated. Perhaps the biggest surprise is how these cars mature over time. Instead of becoming intimidating to own, well-maintained examples often reward careful owners with years of refined, dependable driving. They represent something many enthusiasts once believed impossible: a BMW that people confidently recommend not just for today, but for the years ahead. Car number 2. Acura TLX V6 SH-AWD. The Acura TLX V6 SH-AWD has a personality all its own. It blends everyday confidence with thoughtful engineering, creating a luxury sedan that feels reassuring from the very first drive. Owners often talk about how natural it feels to live with. Visibility is excellent, the controls are intuitive, and everything seems designed to reduce stress rather than add to it. It quickly becomes the kind of car you stop thinking about, because it simply keeps doing exactly what you expect. Its naturally aspirated V6 has earned a reputation for dependable long-term ownership, avoiding much of the added complexity that can accompany smaller, turbocharged alternatives. Combined with Acura's reputation for careful engineering, it gives owners confidence to keep the car for many years beyond its original warranty. Then there's super handling all-wheel drive. Rather than drawing attention to itself, it quietly manages changing road conditions, providing reassuring stability whenever extra grip is needed. The result is a sedan that feels composed, predictable, and remarkably easy to trust throughout the year. Inside, durable materials, supportive seating, and excellent craftsmanship create an environment that continues feeling premium with age. Practical technology, including Acura Watch safety features and an outstanding ELS studio audio system, enhances everyday life without becoming overwhelming. The TLX isn't about making bold statements. It's about delivering consistent confidence, mile after mile, year after year. Car number 1. Lexus ES 350. Some cars earn respect through innovation. Others earn it through consistency. The Lexus ES 350 has spent decades proving that true luxury is built on trust. From the first moment inside, its character is unmistakable. The cabin is exceptionally quiet, beautifully finished, and designed to make every journey feel calm. Whether you're driving across town or spending hours on the highway, soft leather, precise craftsmanship, and thoughtful ergonomics create an atmosphere that remains inviting year after year. What truly elevates the ES is how effortlessly it fits into everyday life. Built on Toyota's proven engineering foundation and powered by a naturally aspirated V6 renowned for its durability, it has become one of the most dependable luxury sedans ever sold in the United States. Owners regularly keep these cars for well over a decade because they simply continue doing exactly what they were designed to do. Maintenance is refreshingly straightforward. Repair costs remain among the lowest in the luxury segment, and strong resale value means your investment continues to hold its worth long after purchase. That combination is exceptionally rare. Useful technology enhances the experience without unnecessary complication, while the smooth ride and outstanding cabin isolation create an almost effortless sense of refinement every time you drive. Ask long-term owners why they would buy another Lexus ES, and the answer is remarkably consistent. It never demands your attention. It quietly earns your confidence. Because in the end, the most rewarding luxury car isn't the one that impresses you for a weekend. It's the one that continues making every ordinary day feel effortlessly exceptional, for years after everyone else has moved on. Luxury isn't defined by how exciting a car feels on the day you buy it. It's defined by how confidently it serves you long after the warranty has expired. Whether you appreciate the understated value of the Infiniti Q50, the quiet sophistication of the Genesis G80, the renewed confidence of BMW's B58 generation, the dependable reassurance of the Acura TLX, or the timeless excellence of the Lexus ES, each of these sedans proves that lasting quality never goes out of style. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more premium automotive content, and let us know in the comments. Which luxury sedan would you trust for the next 200,000 miles?